Good morning. Wait lang. Gusto ko nang isa. Good morning. I know that you have me. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for exercise tuwing umaga. Exercise tayo tuwing umaga. Sweet. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you. Thank you. Coffee. Kape. Salamat sa nagtatamsak. Oh, knowing that you want from me. Gosh, we never met up together. Got you down to your knees. It's a mess with your legs gone from me. Nakuhat. Thank you for the thumbs up. Wait, I need to hot water. Ako, pinaga ako dito sa mga ano. Ano na ba ako? Ay, nanonood kami. Ano? Baka namin nakakaya sa iba. Kasi pag nanonood ko dito sa kuan, malubas, sa Aida. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. Di kita pipilitin yung damdamin, hayaan lang tumibok ang puso ko para sa akin. Di kita pipilitin yung
Hi, hi Crunchu. Hello, hi Crunchu Ali. Who the hell? Hi, morning. Hello. Hi. Hi, Crunchy. Crunchy. Why Crunchy? Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi, Mark. Hi, Mark. Welcome back, Mark. Oh my God, Mark. Morning and sun and good evening. Hi, good evening there. Morning here. Good evening, America. Morning, Pilipinas. Good. Beautiful girl, Victoria Richisita. Victoria Richisiti. Hi, Victoria. Kita pipiliin. Ayan po ang puso ko para sa atin. Hindi kita pipiliin. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. How old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40. 40. Thank you for the thumbs up. I like and subscribe. Thank you for the subscribe my channel, Sir Victorio. Thank you. But here in the Philippines, I'm not beautiful. Beautiful, but not Filipino type. My love. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hello, Agonis dog. Hi, Sir Zach. Good morning, my friend. Hi, Sir Zach. How are you, sir? Thank you sa naka-heart. Face back. Face back. Where are you from, Victoria? Italy, wow! Italy, beautiful country. Nice to meet you, Sir Victorio. From Italy. Victoria, she don't give out personal information. Di kita
Kung ulit yung ganito sa istorya, hindi mo nakasunod yung anay ko.
Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat sa nagka-thumbs up. Wish we never met on the day I lived. I brought you down to your knees. Misery loves come to me. It's not your Victoria, the Winter Olympics are in Italy. Are you going to any of it? Just wake up. Oh no. Nagurutot ako. Nagurutot. Ikaw ang hulog ng langit, ang aking pag-ibig. Hindi pagpapalit, ikaw sa akin lang. Ang hulog ang aking pag-ibig. Hindi tawag. Siya'y pagpapalit. Siya'y pagpapalit.
Pero nakita ko ang pan mo. Alin?
Sa'yo'y pagpapalit. Ikaw ang sa akin. Jerson Mix Vlog. Good morning, Hans. Hi, Jerson Mix Vlog. Good morning. Sa'yo'y pagpapalik. Du, 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 du. Valdic Polino. Hi, Valdic Polino. Hello. Where are you from? Where are you from, guys? Don't subscribe sa'yo, idol. Thank you for subscribe. Verso Mix Vlog. Salamat sa pag-subscribe. Thank you so much. Sa'yo'y pagpapalik ka. Salamat. Hi, Valdic Polino. Oh my God. Where are you from, Valdic? I'm from Philippines. Where are you from? From Spain, Brazil, Portugal, make yeah, Argentina. Germany, Belgium. More what? I don't understand. Baltic. I don't understand your language. Maybe you can translate it in English. Thank you. Sa'yo'y pagpapalik. Ikaw sa akin ang sa'yo'y pagpapalik. Ikaw sa akin. Hi, team, what it means. Hi, Jason Mix Vlog team. Thank you, Jason Mix Vlog. Hi from team. Pa-jacket post. Team, can I give jacket mix? Jason Mix Vlog. Very hot. Very hot. Hot weather here. Vittorio. Hot weather here. Vittorio from Italy. Summer there. Vittorio. Oh my God. Ramen. What it means, Valdic? What it means? I don't understand. Can pronounce. Can read. Spencer. Hi, Spencer. Sa'yo'y pagkapalik. Good morning, Spencer. I like. Thank you, Victorio. Thank you for the thumbs up. Need to change the place. Wait. Aray ko. Thank you for the like. Ayan na, maliwalas. Thank you for the like. Oh my god. You. Hi, thank you for that the thumbs up. Thank you to those who give thumbs up to me. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, guys. Anong ganap? Ayan. Ikaw ang hulog ng langit. I don't understand your language, Balik Polino. Hope I understand your language. Balik. Jerson Mixed Black. Spencer. Hi, Spencer from Jerson. Sa'yo'y pagpapalit. Oh, don't worry about him. Let me know. Hello, Jerson from Spencer. Hi, thank you guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thumbs up. My eye bugs is real. Thank you for the thumbs up. Oh, please, Polino. Balik Polino. Hope I understand your language. Oh my god. Thank you for the thumbs up. Sa nagta-thumbs up, maraming salamat. Sa nanonood, thank you so much. Sa dumadaan, salamat. Sa tumatampay, much appreciated. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Walang anuman po. Thank you, Spencer. Taga saan ka, Spencer? Where are you from? English kasi may may manager. Sa'yo'y pagpapalit. Taga saan, US? Taga US ka. Pilipino ka pero nakatira ka sa US. Sorry, Balik Polino. Sa'yo'y pagpapalit. Ikaw ang hulog na. I'm American, just learning Tagalog. Wow, that's nice, Spencer. That's great. Good job. Where are you in America? Where do you live in America? That's great, Spencer. Good job. Ah, Georgia. Georgia. Nice to meet you, Spencer. Too many people outside. The preppies have a meeting. Spencer, please speak English. Ah, naka-live ako.
Di ka mag-umagla kami kahit may pagpapun ako sa senior citizen, ha?
Sige na, naka-live ako. How is it okay to speak Filipino language? For me, it's okay, but Tim, my manager, he wants to know. I want to know his comment here. He want to English language here. What did mom want? She said, just I stay home in the morning because he want to go to the senior citizens office maybe. Okay, I want practice. Huh? You want practice? You want to learn more Tagalog, Sir Spencer? I think it's okay to speak, and for me, it's okay to speak Tagalog here. I will translate it for to understand him. Thanks, Spencer. Oh my goodness. Mark, that's a lovely bracelet. Very cool. Bracelet. My sister gave me this bracelet from Taiwan. Thank you, Mark. Very cool. Nice. Thank you. Beautiful morning sa lahat. Ay, sis, yung si Papay at saka si Papay, si Bimbol, ito pakat sa dagat sa Santa Magdalena. Maliligo sila. Nandun sila bunso, saka sila, maliligo sila dun sa dagat. Wow, beach. Santa Magdalena Beach. Vitamin C. Thank you sa nanonood. Thank you so much. What are you doing, Mark? It's okay, your mods or manager or whatever, I guess, control your channel. Sad, really. Since you are Filipino and Tagalog is the official Filipino language, basically. Yeah. Yes, Sir Spencer. Sorry, Sir Spencer, but I want to say team to it's allowed to Tagalog here because it's my language. I will translate it to him to understand what people say here. Mao tabi si Smith kay para magkusog na ang gurang nato mao nga ni. Makusog-kusog na, nakalakaw na lakaw-lakaw na. So much better na kumusog pa. Mas kumusog pa. Salamat sa nanonood. Spencer, I'm here, fiancé. No, don't be sorry, kaibigan ako. I guess he will tell Pinoy to speak English only. Thank you, Spencer, to understand. Thank you for the understand. Thank you so much. Hope you always join my live here, friends. Kaibigan, no worries. Thank you, sir, Spencer. Thank you so much. I wanna be your girl. Ooh. Thank you for sa nanonood. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys. Sorry for tuloy-tuloy lang ang pagpainom ng herbal. Dapat makabuo ng 4 na buwan, sabi. Alam mo na, matagal din ng bisyo, kaya awat man ang cleansing kaniya, tabi sis. Mga tabi sis, salamat. Salamat sa sa tips, healthy tips. Thank you so much. No worries, team. Thank you, Sir Spencer. Thanks for understanding. Thank you so much, Sir Kaibigan. Thank you, Sir Spencer. Thank you so much. Hello, Team Harley. Team, my sister greet you. Salve vlog. Twisted my midnight. Hey Zabi, I might have a layover in Taiwan for 4 hours when I go to Sherry. Ah, yes! Thank you so much. 4 hours, so long. Ikaw ang hulog ng langit. Di pagpapalit. Thank you so much. Thank you sa 7 people watching here. Thank you so much. Oh my god. I did that layover in Incheon, South Korea. I did that layover in Incheon, South Korea. But would really like to see Taiwan. Oh my god. Hope to I want to travel. I like to travel, but travel can't afford. And I want to go to Korea, Japan, like that. Yeah, her sister lives in Taiwan. My sister lives in Taiwan because she have work there. She's working in Taiwan. Ikaw ang aking pag-ibig. you pagpapali. Salamat. Sa iyo'y pagpapali. There is on an OFW Pinay on White YouTube. I'd like to meet in Taiwan. Ah, yes. You meet Filipino? You meet Pinay in Taiwan? Even just for layover lunch. Ah, okay. You have a Filipina wife or girlfriend? Fiancé? Sir Spencer? Thank you sa nagtamsak. Salamat sa nagtatamsak. Thumbs up. Salamat sa nanonood. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It helps me a lot. For watch hour. Oh my god. Half goal? Yes. Getting close now. Oh my god. Please help me to reach the watch hour for and apply monetization again. Thumbs up. Thank you, Mar Vlogs. Thank you so much, Mar Vlogs, for the thumbs up. Girlfriend. Ah, okay. Do you have girlfriend, Pinay? Salamat sa nagta-thumbs up. Salamat po. Thank you. That's great, Sir Spencer. Welcome to the Philippines. Philippines, welcome. A lot of people outside. Thanks. I'll be back there in October. Ah, really? October? Where your girlfriend from? Where your girlfriend from? Ah, Batangas. Wow, that's nice place. Nice place, Sir Spencer. Do you come here? How many times you came here in the Philippines? It's good because not too far from Manila. Yes. Here, Bicol, a little far from Manila. Far from Manila. Here in Bicol province. Bicol province. I've been there 4 times over 2 years. Wow, that's great. Oh my god. Team Harley, hope to see you at Taipei, Taiwan. Taoyuan International Airport. Yes, hope you meet, guys. Okay, siguro magkikita kayo. Kasi 4 hours siya dyan. Sana magkita kayo. I will let you know and maybe we can go lunch. Okay. Thank you, team. Taipei, yeah, that's the one. That's great, Spencer. We got in 2 years. You come here and 4 times. Wow. Expensive travel here from America. Expensive. Um, Spencer, what airlines do you take? It is, but I find some decent airfare. I love you, Lord. For the mercy. Taking some on. Oh my God. Phone. What the Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat sa nagda-thumbs up. Thank you so much. I think the less expensive United Airlines, PAL, Asiana, etc. Wow. PAL, Philippine Airlines, I think. United Airlines, Asiana. Okay. That's nice. That's nice, Spencer. United Airlines flies straight to Manila from SFO these days. Wow, really? Straight to Manila from SFO these days? Wow, that's great. But how much the plane ticket? How much cost? What is fare? How much costs a plane ticket going here? Sheryl Recipo is San Francisco. Okay. SFO San Francisco. Okay, now I know. About 1,350 US dollar round trip. Oh wow. Maybe almost no, 100,000 pesos. Expensive, still expensive. Uh, can I buy motorcycle? And no, motorcycle and iPhone 16 Pro Max. No. Oh, the price. Yes, you can buy the Honda Beat for less. Yes, Honda Beat. Yeah, that's the price, no? Expensive. Almost $100,000, 100,000 pesos. Hi, John BJ. Hello. Tim Hardy, hope your flight to the Philippines is in the afternoon. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. My due was 77k pesos for hers. What? 77,000 pesos for her? Wow. That's great, Sir Spencer. Her Honda Beat. Ah, really? You buy her scooter? You're a great. I leave at 8:30 at the night from Houston. Ah, you leave at night. Night, morning here. Thank you for the thumbs up. Honda Beat. I think Yamaha. I like Yamaha. Yamaha line. Yamaha. What is that? Yamaha. Thank you for watching, guys. Ikaw ang okay. Ghost 111. Hello. Hi, Ghost 111. Kumusta? Hello. Ang aking pag-ibig sa'yo pagpapabalik. Ang hirap ang maging pogi. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye, sis. Ingat. God bless. Ingat ka dyan. Thanks. Salamat. Thank you. Bye, sister. Bye, sister. Have a good day, Salve. So, sister, thank you for 13 thumbs up now. Salamat. Um, Bible is real. Take care till next time, Cheryl. I'm going to channel. Hope some. Good luck to you and team. Hi, thank you, Spencer. Thank you. Thank you for joining me here. God bless you always. Nice to meet you, Spencer. Spencer, bye. Take care, everyone. Stay safe, Spencer. Yes. God bless you guys. Bye. 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 Team Harley, bye, and thanks from my sister. Thank you, sis. Take care then. God bless. Thank you too. You're welcome, sister-in-law. Okay. Bye, everyone. Thank you for joining me here. See you next time. Bye.